Do you have up to 5 million naira to invest for the next 268 days? Then Dangote Cement is offering a commercial paper for the next 265 days. It's 3 series, series 19, 20 and 21. Series 19 is for 93 days. Series 20 is for 184 days. Series 21 is for 268 days. And you can see the interest effective yield, which is more or less like the interest rate on it. So for the 91 days, it is 21% per annum. Not for the period, because that's the mistake many people usually make when calculating interest rate that is not up to a year. It is per annum. This 21% is per annum. This 23% for the series 20 is per annum, while this 24.5% is also per annum. So when you compare, for instance, with Treasury bills, what Treasury bills is offering at this moment, Treasury bills is offering 19.5 and this is 24.5. You can see that's like 5% difference. So if you have 5 million naira and above, because the minimum you can do for this investment, for this commercial paper, is 5 million naira, except you want to go and get it in the secondary market, which I doubt. So this is my major focus. You can see the interest rate, which is the 268 days. So if you have money that you can invest for the next 268 days, then go for this commercial paper. Now, it opened on 10th of June 2025 and it's going to close 13th June 2025. One thing about commercial paper investment is that it's in high demand, especially by institutional investors. One thing, and especially when the company has a solid credit rating. Now you may ask, what is commercial paper? Commercial paper is synonymous to treasury bills. When you are dealing with treasury bills, you are lending your money to the government, to the federal government, and in return they pay you an interest rate. Now, when it comes to commercial paper, it is corporate organizations that is now requesting for your money, saying that we need money in order to meet our short-term obligations, maybe their working capital. And in this case, Dangote wants to use it for working capital requirements. Working capital simply means the capital they are going to use in a short period of time. So that is the major difference between them. One is issued by the federal government, one is issued by corporate organizations, and also the two are within 1 year. So what is the major thing you need to look at when you are investing in commercial paper? You need to look at the credit worthiness of the track record of the company you are investing with. So in a commercial paper offer like that, you will see something like AA+, AA, BB+. Those are the ratings, but the highest is still AAA+. Depending on the company, we have like 3 companies that are usually into that credit rating. We have Augusto, we have DCR, and we have one other one like that usually rates the credit worthiness of a company. So you just need to look at that. It is very imperative you look at that. In the case of Dangote, definitely they have AA+, which confirms that they are credit worthy. So which means if you are investing in this commercial paper, the risk you are taking is minimal. So the question is, how do you now invest in this commercial paper? Just talk to your stockbroker. I want to believe you should have the contact of your stock brokerage firm and talk to them that you want to invest in this commercial paper. You want to take advantage of this commercial paper. Don't forget, the minimum is 5 million naira and above. Then you can now have a multiple of 1,000 naira. So we'll meet in our next video. Stay blessed.